The Uni-T Ut55 presents itself as a robust and versatile tool for a wide array of electrical and electronic diagnostic tasks. As a universal digital multimeter, it aims to provide comprehensive measurement capabilities, making it a foundational instrument for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Its designation as a Multimeter Digital further underscores its commitment to modern, precise readings for various applications. Core to its functionality, the UT55 is engineered to handle significant electrical parameters, notably its capacity for measuring up to 1,000 volts, encompassing both AC and DC currents. This substantial voltage range positions it as suitable for environments ranging from household electrical systems to more demanding industrial or high-voltage applications. Beyond general electrical testing, the device also incorporates specialized functions as a dedicated transistor and capacitor tester, expanding its utility for detailed component-level diagnostics and troubleshooting in electronics. The digital aspect ensures clear, unambiguous readouts, enhancing efficiency in data interpretation. In practical use, the UT55's capabilities translate directly into efficiency for troubleshooting and maintenance. Its 1000 Ac DC range makes it an appropriate choice for verifying power supply integrity, analyzing mains voltage, or working with higher voltage DC circuits common in automotive or solar power setups. For electronics work, the integrated transistor and capacitor testing functions are invaluable, allowing users to quickly assess component health, identify faulty parts, and facilitate repairs or new project development. Its universal nature suggests it's designed to be a go-to device for a broad spectrum of electrical measurement needs. While specific details on its physical construction are not provided, the descriptor, digital multimeter, implies a design focused on clear, accurate readings and straightforward operation. Its role as an electric transistor capacitor tester suggests a purposeful engineering to reliably perform these specific, critical measurements. The inherent nature of a digital device for electrical testing points to a user experience centered on precision and ease of data acquisition, contributing to dependable outcomes in various testing scenarios. Overall, the Uni-T Ut55 stands out as a comprehensive digital multimeter equipped for substantial voltage measurements and specialized component testing. Its capacity to handle 1000 VAC and DC, coupled with its dedicated transistor and capacitor testing features, positions it as a highly capable and practical instrument for anyone requiring reliable electrical and electronic diagnostics across diverse applications.